Welcome to Understand the Math. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an example of the law of sines ambiguous case where we're going to get one right triangle. We'll start by using the law of sines to find the sine of angle B. I've already written down the formulas to save us some time, so let's just plug things in. B is equal to root 2. We have the sine of 45 degrees divided by A, which is 1. This gives us root 2 times sine of 45 degrees is root 2 over 2, and this gives us a value of 1. We'll now determine the number of solutions and the type of triangle. Sine B is equal to 1. When sine B is equal to 1, we'll have one solution, and we're going to have a right triangle. Step 2 and step 3 in this case can be combined. Step 3 says that we need to find B. We know that B is the inverse sine of 1, which is 90 degrees, which is why we knew it was a right triangle. Our next step is to find angle C. We know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. Angle A is 45 degrees. Angle B is 90 degrees. C is our unknown angle, and that equals 180 degrees. This gives us 135 degrees plus C is 180 degrees. So C is 180 degrees minus 135 degrees, which is equal to 45 degrees. Our last step is to find side C using the law of sines. We know from the law of sines that A divided by sine of A is equal to C divided by the sine of angle C. This tells us that C is equal to sine of angle C times A divided by sine A. Let's now plug in these values. This gives us the sine of 45 degrees times A, which is 1, divided by the sine of A, which is 45 degrees, and that's equal to 1. We now have the two unknown angles and the unknown side. If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.